Hi, I'm Kirsty Meakin from Neo Nails. In this video I'm going to show you how to create some Christmas bells out of 3D acrylic. So on this nail we've got Urban Graffiti gel polish in the colour Poppy Power. And what we're going to do on top of this gorgeous red is we're going to do some 3D bells. Nice Christmas 3D bells. Now the liquid that I'm going to use will be the high speed liquid. So I want it to set up really quickly. I don't want to hang about waiting for it to set. And there's going to be two bells. So they're going to slightly sit over each other. So we're going to do the one that's sat underneath first. And be aware that when this other bell here is on there, this part needs to be quite flat. So we're going to overlap these bells. So you're going to press that powder out. And then with the end of your 3D brush, you're going to push it open and open a pocket for your opening of your bell. So I'll do the top part of that bell, keeping this bit nice and thin, because the other bell is going to sit here. They're going to slightly overlap. So have the shape in your head, so you can visualise what you're going to create. Just adding a little bit of detail. So it has an indentation running through here to make it look more 3D. Should keep it nice and open. Don't let it close. In here we're going to do a little tiny. In here we're going to add a little bit of detail. So the bell can chime. And then the next bell if your bead seems too dry, did you see what I did? Just I went into the liquid and I just touched the bead and it starts to polymerise again. Just going to get a basic shape. I'm going to pop a bead here. This is the bead I'm going to open out. Get slightly bigger. So I'm going to go in with the brush and open the ball out. Very, very softly. A bead at the top end of this ball now, just to add that detail. So you have this band running through here. Now you don't just have to do these balls at Christmas. You can do them for weddings. I've done balls for weddings before. Christmas balls, wedding balls. And it's something different rather than flowers. So everybody does 3D flowers. I want to do something a little bit different. Check it's still open enough. Just going to do a little detail inside. Tiny bead, not too wet. You sort of push it into a teardrop shape. Like that. And I want a dry to medium bead at the very top. On both sides, small. Dotting tool. Just press into that. And what I'm going to do, you could leave it like that if you wanted to. I'm just going to make some little bits of leaves and things like that, like as if they're coming off the Christmas tree. And they're just going to sit over that as well.